Greetings to my friends and my viewers. I'm Aqib Feroz. I am back with a new video. So today's topic is what is an electroscope and how to make it. So let's discuss the question, what is an electroscope? It is a very simple device which is used to check whether the object is charged or uncharged. It is used to check small amount of charges. So it is simple to use. If you bring a charged or uncharged object in front of a metallic wire which is connected with two aluminum foils. If the aluminum foils repel each other, that means the object is charged. If they do not repel, that means the object is uncharged. This is a very simple experiment. Here you can see this is a preview of our electroscope. So don't worry, we will show you how to make it. But first here you can see we have two combs which are made of plastic and they are not good conductors of electricity. So now we will bring this comb, we didn't like rub it with anything, not even into the hair, so there's no static electricity in it. So when you bring it near, no reflection, no repulsion, you can see. Now when we rub this comb with our hair or some cloth, so in a specific area where we rub, so for example we rub it till here, so this area will have a static electricity which will go through this metallic wire and go and touch the aluminum foils which will repel. So let's see. Let me make this comb charged. So I have made it this comb charged. Now here you can see the repulsion. So this was a preview. So we will now begin our video how to make electroscope. So first I will show you how to make the electroscope. So the first thing you have to do, take a transparent plastic bottle or transparent glass jar. It should be in lengthwise, heightwise it should be big, and widthwise at least a gap of your finger. So now remove the cap and keep it aside, and keep this bottle aside for a few minutes. Now you see this aluminum foils. Take the scissors and cut the aluminum foils. So here you can see I have finished cutting the foils. There you can see, make the hole in the foil. Make sure this foil is this much, one small gap of your finger, okay, and make sure there is a perfect hole, not that much large hole. Now keep the foils aside, we need it, so keep it aside. Now take a cardboard and cut a circle with a circumference, and take this bottle and just make it sure the circle is perfect. It should not go inside. It should be a perfect circle like this. It should not go inside. Then take the wire, keep this pot aside. Then take the wire, put the wire inside this circle. Make a hole inside the circle in the center and insert the wire. Okay, now you have to just attach the wire by taping it. So here you can see I have taped the wire from both sides. Make sure the wire after taping must be straight. It should not be tilted. This wire should, the outer end should be a little bit 90. So here the wire is, you have to make sure the wire is a little bit tilted 90 degree. Then take the aluminum foils, insert them like this. So here you can see I've inserted the aluminum foils. Now there you can see, just make it the space between from this end, just close it like this. So make it in the shape of a question mark, as you can see this is like a question mark. So now insert this inside, put this inside the plastic box. Make sure the wire stays, it should not touch any side of the plastic. So I was gonna put the wire, I'm gonna put this inside. Okay, so here you can see it is not touching the plastic from the ground, it is like in the air. Okay, now we will take two combs. You can take any size, that doesn't matter. Even you can take the scale. So here you can see I have a purple comb and a small blue comb. So I will not rub this comb with anything or charge it, so I'll just leave it aside. I'm gonna charge this comb. Here, can you see? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna charge this comb by rubbing it. So let me charge it now. So here you can see I've charged the comb and you can see the repulsion. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take this. Wait a minute. Okay, okay. And now I'm gonna take this uncharged comb. But now you see there's no repulsion. So your electroscope is now ready for use and you can use it. So our electroscope is ready for use. I hope you have enjoyed our video. So please like and share our video, and please subscribe our channel for more new upcoming videos.